Hi guys, if you are a new user from Windows to Mac, you must feel very confused because in Mac you cannot click a file and copy its path. In this video, I will explain a simple way to add a copy path function in Finder so that you can use it like in Windows. Let's begin. The first step is open the automator. Then choose the service. Select the files and folders in Finder. In search bar, search the copy to clipboard and drag-drop it into workflow area. Save it and give the name copy path. Now let's go to Finder and take a look at the path. Go to Finder menu bar, select Finder, Services, Service Preferences, and now select the copy path service. Go back to the Finder. Let's right-click the file path under the Finder window. Under the service, now the copy path item appears. Yeah, that's all. Thanks very much for watching this video. Have a nice day.